Number two day country people them so the wait for sabi who e get for be like a city mayor inside Douala here. Big trouble for Douala side. Now say name where they so CPDM put am for before. Say na he get for be the city mayor. Trouble dey on top. Yesterday they try when no day. Today again as so the talk. They the one struggle for see as so they go put city mayor for inside Douala here. We go talk that chapter and we go take on ourselves go for side where this palava dey happen this afternoon. Sabi say na security people them dey plenty. Who e dey the new city mayor for side from Konsamba and wetin e go do? Who e dey city mayor too for Kumba? We go try for answer all that question them this afternoon. Na so too we go take una go for some village where e dey for under Dizange. They call the village name na Bimbe. Inside that village, water na problem, light na problem, even hospital where they don't make am for them. People they don't start shit down for that hospital for sick as say they never put work in them. Inside there, we go take una go for Bimbe, when a village for inside Dizange, as well they suffer. No hospital, no dey tori too for this afternoon. We go talk the waka where it is so general nka vale e make am for Esu. We go yet complain to a population the hear on top uniform people them. We get the Guardian Post, Herald Tribune, and even in-depth news where the day for we before this afternoon. Big part of in the try for Terry say when you see bird it turn up for middle road in the Saka. Sabi say person where in the Naki that drummer it then only for corner. When you see bird it turn up for middle road in the Saka. Sabi say the drummer person it then only for corner. Christabella Asa Ibina Wikombi for Facebook. Now he same with big part talk from Bepe City inside Douala here. At the turn back. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad say we don't join head again. Chapter 2 for Tori, number 3 day for inside the week. Chapter 1, we go enter over for Palava for city mayor and na inside Douala with the talk. Make we take una go for place when Gando they pass for Aqua, they call am na South Defense. For that side, they say na only councillors them first and you must identify before you pass for door this afternoon as well they enter for number 2 day for Sabi who e get for be city mayor. In the show already say Dr. Fricks Ntone former governor delegate they don't move it for game but the security way turn up for day today na lock mob we get near them and ketu them where they dey for all corner. Now for tell we say today na the day where they so they must do or by all costs put person where e go look at Douala City Council like the city mayor. So place it tight near the day ketu them say the day and you say where you no get no nothing for do for corner them no way road they don't block am taxi they know the pass or Okada they know the pass or dom up for a sal defense na so near their motor they say they park for all corner. So as all the talk sabi say CPDM they don't already give name for person where it dey so e get for be on top that chair like city mayor but big problem na say the population they say they want na say make they vote they no want say party e give name. Yesterday na right for night 7 o'clock where we be comot for them for the same Gando place where no peace e no be don come agreement e no be dey as way all the 3 people them where they be get for turn up on top the chair them say they check sense palava the name way CPDM central committee don send am. So all man in Nake Sote they talk say no way Benoit Dong Sumet when I say be the man wey cow the paper wey name for person wey they don't choose and they he says he try for talk with population and the 3 other people there they don't turn up on top this chair say he dey so made the check sense level make party control but peace e no be so come out agreement no be come out for them for sika this palava na way he dey so they carry the 2 they be get for do am one day bring am Sote today. So we dey pray say maybe by today when e finish maybe today except otherwise we go surely sabi who e go sit down for city mayor whether na the name wey CPDM e don put am for before or the population e go vote person wey they want and say make e be city mayor with the wait and our EM a day for ground for Nkonsamba for Mongo Division 2. They have been say for that side to vote it be passed. Now yesterday for place where they call am saying Nkonsamba now for inside this funny hall where Cape don tietie. Now for day where they make the vote and Sabi say the council or then say they come or money become he can't turn up for vote. But Sabi say time for vote sesep country people them the court say make Tory people them they come out as way Oga SDO sesep he enter for inside the Nkonsamba council house. Now so too they say make all Tory people then come out so voting it be passed and for that side no man he no get no nothing for talk. City mayor it already be for inside Nkonsamba. And as well we talk country people them one of the work with that new big man for Nkonsamba get for look at am Sabi say the city council way before they from Nkonsamba they get plenty motor them like this caterpillar they on the Siam. Now dirty they throw now for place where caterpillar they get for its work. You get motor them with the turn up only for inside the council. So some of these motor them maybe the new city mayor he get for take it time he check sense whether now for sell the motor or he sell the motor he buy new one or he check sense for see can say the kind of old motor them they no get for so she done for inside city council as we they will call them for a place where they call them say Nkonsamba. For place where they call them say Kumba country people them now old water where they take and put them for new bottle as we plenty they don't talk them for inside Kumba for city council where they be fair they call them country people them for they vote it be passed to yesterday for that side so for Kumba Ntu Ndong Shambalen Oga SDO for Meme Division na SSF it be look out say me the vote it pass Sabi say ti wey happen for Kumba na say the person for central committee Oga Ote and Mufam it be one can call name for person central committee it don't select them like city mayor but population it deny so na for sika why that way see the three people them where they hold different paper them Victor Nkelengo Oga Miwanu and even Oga Stephen where all them they come out say it dey so they want turn up on top this vote where it happen Sabi say council sesep it be full up city council hall it be full up so they turn no day so by force they be get for go now for vote they say make no city or make no CPDM you know can choose who he go look up people them for Kumba after when they finish make the vote last now Victor Nkelengo she done on top the chair for city mayor he get 38 votes then the other people they get 31 the last person he come with his 6 votes as we Tory enter for we here we go turn back for inside city council for Kumba for see as we glad it be day after. And just for Sabi country people them as we it be the first city mayor for inside Kumba for Meme Division before one be like a city mayor. Victor Nkelengo be done she done on top chair around 10 years like Ngomna delegate waiting he want bring away the new for Kumba make we hear ye.
Kumba City Council will suffer a lot because we will not be get money. Money are the key for development. We will not be fit to much development because of lack of money. But now when they say we will get 15% of the national budget will go for all the councils, we hope say a lot of development will be done.
Victor Nkelengo, new city mayor for inside Kumba. As we some places they also vote. Place from Banga where they already finish vote the mayor. We go take una enter from Banga council just for Sabi say the new people them where they vote them put them on top chair. They already start for work and also enter for inside council from Banga as where we ISSBC it then a palava for change the face for inside Banga council all the old wall where they be don't peel chakara na palava for make Banga council it then new put new bulb them, put new ceiling as well go the waka inside the place. So the new people there they put the mayor for that side, Ejake Henriette, and a group where they get for work and for CC make development. It enter for Banga. They already start for do that development now from the council SSF. As well they struggle for change the paint where be don't old for inside council. Even the ceiling board there they be don't chakara. All them they try for see. Say may they change place so that council from Banga SSF if you get new face as well them say that this also continue for plan as well they get for make Banga it be one better town for inside Mongo division. Make we hear wait where one of the people then says up we it dey for inside council a talk for we.
I don't intercept, so I don't know. I never know if in America from Banga where I know for before because all things don't change for inside. Una now with mami water the work. I never know me. I don't work inside work. I just I didn't for some small Dubai way. I swear, if it be say God don't give the people say they start work so no like Yesu Christo don't send them for them.
And country people them, we go left mayor and the new city mayor them for start check sense as well they go develop their own different place. We go take una enter for quarter. Sabi say we be na Congo Sa people them, we no see way no talk. Now the light to this way population for administrative quarter they be the enjoy for this early morning time. As well be talk for corner site. Now pour that for light way the chakara so as well na the CM and that pour for light it chakara sote for early morning time. So as well to re-enter we here for administrative quarter for Mabanda, the pole cash fire. So it be now people then set up for light where they come for can fix that pole this morning time where they try for cut cable. So population for inside administrative quarter for Mabanda, they no be sleep for seeker that light will be the common for that pole. No man in no sabi waiting it really make the fire whether not thief light or not just mistake from the company set up as we Tori enter we here. One of we strong Tori idena for Dizange for some village where they call them saying Bimbe make we enter for the just now. Now third class chief where them get for that side number 3. But the village even as we life edi waka edi go molo loko as we back where the people that go talk light no day for inside that village. You go see cable way they pass from this side go for the end, left to right, right to left, whether not for whose side. But light no day for inside day. Another thing, water where they say alive. Them too they don't get inside place where they call them say Bimbe. Now this motor, no ask me say where the motor says way they can't give water. It come out with the water. But now the motor way they help people them for inside place where they call them say Bimbe. Where water sesep no day. Water, light, nothing way person no get for lack at all. But so now one of the thing then that way population for inside Bimbe sesep they face am. When the motor it can't give water, it don't go carry am. Now so to them sesep they get for pay. So one of the big problem where the people then sesep from Bimbe they get na water and this water na life as we sabi. So for inside Mbimbe for Dizange side na palava for their hospital. Wanna see am no? Na cassava that hospital na that house wanna see am so for corner. Na the hospital that where it dey so they don't make am for inside people then for Bimbe. Better hospital, but na bush and cassava dey for all corner. Ask me say who side the people there they look at that hospital for Bimbe the day. Now I know the day. I no answer that kind of question. But all corner for hospital, it don't turn na cassava farm. And the population says for the inside Bimbe, they no sabi wetin wey they get for ask am again. For sika say wetin, they don't abandon hospital now for corner cassava. So even green snake, any kind of thing, if you waka, now you come up for bush, he enter for inside hospital for sika say hospital, know the work at all. And the hospital says for inside place where they call them said a Bimbe, now be that. Amos, maybe if you no get room for Douala, if you go for Bimbe, you go take your one room for hospital. Place where they don't build and say na hospital, they no get hospital again. No. Now people they she don't have for day. Now for sika waiting, they say since where they build the house, they never can put even one eye bed for inside. So population for this Bimbe, where they no get house, They don't make hospital like their house. You understand? E get enjoy room. See toilet where they fix am. No nothing, e no dey happen. Toilet na plank, they don't take cover am. No ask me whether some person don motor on top, then e lock am. Tap water sesep, e no dey comot. As well I don talk, they no get water for dey at all for inside the hospital. See fine bulb the way they don put am for dey light them, but no nothing, e no dey dey. So the hospital don turn a place where people dem just now they dey sleep them for day. E be na spare room for people them. You wey you no get spare room, if you go there, even lizard sesep e die, e remaining for day. No man no dey for can sweep am. Connection e dey for all corner, but light sesep e no dey dey. So hospital for Bimbe, no man e no dey dey. E don turn a private house for people them wey dey she don for day. All man e don can find a room, e dey sleep for inside. So that one e dey go for minister for sick people them, Dr. Manauda Malashi, wey e get for check palava for that hospital for Bimbe. And inside Sandanga, we be talk sometime for Tori House here. Palava thief, where they plenty for Sandanga market. E never overtake people they enter for day. Knock some people them, thief their thing them. We say so we take with time, we enter ask question. Why thief people they demand they can't thief so they run? How they know the thief for catch them? Ketu them office, e dey. Waiting be the work for this Ketu office. This Ketu office, e dey ever open? Question where we be the ask ourselves. But we come for sabi to say inside this Sandanga market, only construct the way they dey. Now one way Ketu themselves sometimes them they feel no sense. Now one of the construct and this when the people they come pass for year enter so. One time they don't come on for wrong point. Who go meet all them? No man. So the Sandanga market says the way they take make now one thing to that way is the worry. Where when the people they enter for day with all these OO housing, the people they say they go hide for day now, and even for the place now for here to put them to they ever pass and one the way they smoke banger. So if Ketu the one really make order for inside Sandanga, all the mapam consult them. You see no, you dey run for the pia, you don't jump fence. Who say Ketu go fit for cashew? We no dey at all. So all these small mapam them who enter for day, we try for understand say this Sandanga market na place where Ketu they get for shine their eye. 24 on 24. You understand no? 48, whether na how e wan be. If no be so, thief e go so continue for the past for inside place where they call am say Sandanga. Now market, one of the big market them for Douala side here, where thief people them they don't take them like their own place where they operate. Even inside the house where they say, so people that they can't hide in them how sometimes they can't hide for day. They wait the time, then when they pick you one time they run enter for down there, you no go fit for follow them. So all these small map on them Ketu them una the shine una eye, una go fit for cash this men them when na then say that they cause disorder inside that market where they sell plenty tomato for that side. So for Sandanga, now for Douala where we dey talk this palava. We go left this palava for inside Sandanga. We go finish that palava for Sandanga market country people them. We enter for a different site. We go take una comot. We go for inside the Bamenda country people them for talk. This Awaka we ideso General Nka Vale he make am for Esu. Na Ketu them office that we no dey again at all. Population for Esu it don't dey turn back. Small. They is also member as well they become broke their store them, been a place, enter for day, thief in them, then burn them, all that one them. Now he make plenty of the population for Esu. All man, he run enter Sosongo. But just now as well the talk, they don't start the camp small. They don't turn back for Esu small. Now for Sika why that way as well this store they so they so sabi say na people them they have been a place where they burn them for side for Esu. Now why that way General Kavale and his own uniform peoples they land for Esu for talk say country peoples make one no fear. We don't come and we go so continue for the Lukotuna. All that boy they make una open eye. They no go fit for come. Population is glad plenty. And population too is share mimbo. with General Nkavale. Padima, open that mimbo, open them again for drink and for before population say, voila. Show them say they so you know the fear. After he finish with the population, he come waka a check roadway they so na uniform people then say they fix them. And he don't talk. The uniform people then they fix that roads. They go so come continue for fix the roads and for say make the population is sabi say they don't come for can look at them according to preach where General Nkavale he go talk for people them for inside Esu with them say they don't hear bad for Seka this palaver for Northwest and Southwest. Make we hear wait some of them they talk for microphone from Bu Stella where it be waka to reach for side for Esu for Menchum.
I mean, they be enter and then that boy they be there. So as they shoot now, we run go, we fear say check if you go. One camera once you has the damn bomb. They will see was storing open. They don't carry thing. Me so I start sick for you. I will be the run of the bush where they carry me. They won't go with me for information. We are never talk. And then I'll be there 1 month, 2 weeks before they operate me. As I can't dance so. We're not there. I think for Friday. The doctor will give me a rendezvous for 2 weeks. I never go up. Money not there. So much in the way with the cell too. I put the way they buy with them. They don't run. And then no man not there for this one. And now when they don't start, they come back.
People them that way will be put to a microphone for them up. But Sabi say as well General Nkavale, it be there for Esu, it be there to na time for the population for say natengi. Thank you plenty. But our mind in the bubble. Waiting be wanna complain, wanna throw it for General Nkavale Mokuye. We go take una turn back for inside Esu, so don't talk for now. When the big man says he come, he be day to na time. Palava for tanky, yes, but all thing it no be dey na sweet, a sugar, as well as sabi. So them too they be get some their complaint where they be one game for the big man for uniform people them, where them check say he no fine. Where uniform put them, they do one for them. Make we hear their complaint where they be put on for before General Nkavale.
I want to thank you as you become rescue with service. Army the way they come for here for come to peace. Since when they come, we go for peace. There's some small problems and they find no talk because they are like family with them. Go for them for here, then they find. But that one there for that side. The first problem when they come do things and for the one they don't know. Which one? That one the way they get for the ranch. For ranch? Yes. They come here when they come sometimes when they cross water they beat people.
You make a way with the overfear. When some army then they come, they only the big picking I say na amber. When no be amber. My picking only I get only 2 picking. I no be send them for amber. So they beat them. The picking they don't run. Only me one I can stand for here where they has.
If they don't say army, they come. We go wrong. We go strong for bush. Even me, I didn't have to go the wrong go strong. I carry stick, but they come bush now. Another big way. The 60 where we got strong bush where I wrong.
They complain them where they be put on, people them where they should done for Esu. They put on for before General Nkavale where be there for that side. But waiting be the answer, waiting where General Nkavale says he talk for this population for Esu them. Make we hear them as we it be answer them some more with our country talk. PJ.
Military here, military people. Yes. They are here for your security, for your protection. Yes. That amber thing no get future. If you get your pikin, who dey amber, tell him lay down weapon. We welcome them.
We finish that chapter, country people them, we go take una now with the photo. Congo side don't turn say Magil, he don't left work for Ankunkuma field for Olembe we go look at 60,000 people them. But lie, as well Minister for Sports and Physical Education, Professor Narcisse Muele Kombi, he be land for inside Olembe field. He be there for Tuesday. He says use his own crow eye, he chop Christmas. He see him say walk on top that field for Olembe. e dey go na nayo, whether na for on top the field or na for inside, for side wey people dem dey get for change dem clothes, or side wey people dey get for even drink water. E turn, e look all things say the work, e dey go molo, na small the work e dey go. So that Congo side wey first dey talk say McGill, e don level for people there, they start the work, big pom, and the people then say they don't talk, say the work e go dey go before. They don't promise, say before number 2021, that means say before 2021 go come, wey man down by the big one go happen. They must don't finish all the work, as we they talk for Professor Narcisse Mwele Kombi. Just now, newspaper them to the day for we before. Guardian Post, where they outside this time, e dey talk for we. France, e don't talk say they prepare for help Cameroon, for see that city them called the town them where they grow. E them say they go put small things, say make the town they also continue for go na only for before. One of the strong number for the Guardian Post, e dey talk for we say Yaoundé and Kumba, they don't already sabi their city mayor them. Victor Nkelengo, he don't turn back for Kumba as city mayor. Then for Yaoundé and Simi Evunaichie, now this parliament where they call it say Messi Atangana look, he don't she done on top that chair. You read 22 for inside the Guardian Post where it is so it concern Cameroon and this new virus where don't come say corona, as where they talk say Cameroon you know they for inside the map for Africa for country them where coronavirus if he enter for day. Other to read them if you read them for the Guardian Post newspaper where if they outside this afternoon. Herald Tribune, now some other one will try for look for inside today. Inside Herald Tribune, you go read Tori where it concern Kamasesh at Norwest. It means say Tori people that say for Norwest, where them say they talk a palava the way it is so. Tori people them they hear about on top palava where they cover them Tori for Sika palava popcorn where they holla inside the Herald Tribune too. You go read palava general a woman where they so a pikin aswe unasabi it sleep straight inside this palava for shooting. Money says there for inside Festac for people them where they want win aswe the Herald Tribune a talk for we this afternoon. In-depth news, another newspaper will look for inside country people them. Inside in-depth news, they talk for we after the what way happened for Ngambu village. Now so to just now, one way it don't happen again for place where they call them say Babanki. Wait it happen for the in-depth news, it carry on for his skin. French big man, head boy for France, he says he don't talk, say now he give Nkunkuma pressure for say make he left. All people there, they don't catch them for Sika palava for politics inside we country. You go read 32 where concern Cameroon and this palava for Northwest and Southwest. Thing that way no be don't sabi where it happen and it is also continue for past. In-depth news, it get that chapter for now this afternoon. Country people them na just so we own eye is see a country as we the waka sabi say wa I know the lie when we see am with the talk as we see no ben. Thank you plenty Amos Fongo, Malice and Ledupone where them say they put on one and another way for say make Tori e go for before. If all thing waka fine and if Papa God agree, we go meet up when it knock 8 o'clock for some time. Una hold am tight for outside.